Hey friends, we're going to learn more about insects today by reading the story Insects by Robin Bernard. The world is full of little creepy crawly things, but not all of them are insects. A wiggly worm isn't. That's not an insect. A slowpoke snail isn't. Not an insect. Even a hairy spider isn't an insect. Do you think this animal is an insect? How many body parts do you count? 1, the head, 2, the thorax, 3, the abdomen. If you counted 3, it probably is an insect. Is this katydid an insect? Count its legs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you counted 6, you can be sure it's an insect. Insects are the only animals in the world that have 6 legs. A grasshopper has 6 legs. A beetle has 6 legs. A moth has 6 legs too. They are all insects. Two things that insects can do with their legs and feet might surprise you. A housefly tastes things with its front feet. Did you know that it could taste things with its front feet? A katydid hears through tiny holes near its knees. There's the hole right there, and there's the other hole, and it can hear through those holes. A praying mantis uses its strong front legs to hold its prey. Like it's holding it right there. That's the praying mantis, and that's the prey. A honeybee carries pollen in baskets on its legs. Did you know they had baskets on their legs? Most insects have wings. Besides birds and bats, insects are the only animals that can fly. Flying makes it easier for them to find food. It's a fast way to escape enemies, too. Nearly all insects have 2 feelers on their head. They're used for feeling, tasting, and hearing things. Some insects can even smell things with their feelers. Insects have mouth parts. They are just right for the food they eat. A butterfly sips nectar. Its mouth is like a straw. A fly soaks up yucky garbage. Its mouth is like a sponge. A grasshopper chews plants. Its mouth is like a pair of scissors. A mosquito sucks blood. Its mouth is like a needle. So all of their mouths are made a special way to eat the food that they eat. Insects are a favorite snack of frogs, birds, and bats. But insects have lots of ways to keep from being eaten. Some insects hide in plain sight. Tree hoppers can fool you. They look like thorns on a stem. A leaf insect looks just like another dry leaf. It's easy to miss a tree bark grasshopper on a tree trunk. So let's look at these a little bit closer. Right here is the bug. This is a thorn on a stem, and that's the bug. It looks a lot like the actual thorn, so it tricks the bugs, the animals that want to eat it. Right here, you can see there's a leaf insect that is right here. It looks just like a leaf. See its legs? And then see the rest of the leaves? That's how it tricks the other animals so they don't eat it. And let's see if you can find the bug on the tree. It's called a tree bark grasshopper. Do you see it? There it is, right there. It's almost hard to see. Did you know that most insects hatch from eggs? Many baby bugs look like their parents, only smaller. You can tell what they are even before they grow up. There's some eggs right there. There's a baby one. Remember that one looks like a thorn? Look at the little baby. Has a little tiny thorn. Baby milkweed bugs look like their parents. So do baby roaches. So there's the mama and the daddy roach, and there's the baby roaches. Other insect babies don't look at all like their parents. This caterpillar hatched from an egg too, but when it grows up, it will be a big brown moth. So this type of caterpillar is going to grow up to be a moth, not a butterfly. Insects are amazing and they are everywhere. So be careful where you step. You might find a six-legged creature that's more fun to watch than a squash. All right, guys, I hope you really enjoyed that story and you learned a lot more about insects. Have a great day.